Welcome to our channel Date Speaks. We will provide information regarding various events occurred on the specific dates through our videos. In this video, date 20th October speaks about scientific inventions occurred. First, we will talk about Nobel for crops. In 1970, American agricultural pioneer Norman Borlaug received the Nobel Peace Prize for his contribution to the Green Revolution that increased grain production throughout the Third World by perfecting and introducing new strains of wheat and rice crops. Subsequently, he conceived the World Food Prize, awarded each fall for improving the world food supply or access to it. In this way, he made possible the wide recognition of others in the field. Now we will talk about compo type. In 1925, the compo type was patented by its inventor, Clifton Chisholm of Cleveland, Ohio, as an embossing machine. The keyboard control machine embossed one line of characters of an aluminum strip with flanged edges. These could be arranged in a holder for several strips in parallel, from which several lines of printed material could be produced. Blanks came from a ribbon of metal on a roll, automatically flanged to give a mounting channel shape, and fed between embossing dies. Each character was also printed on a record card, visible during operation. The machine was designed to provide an efficient mechanism for the rapid production of the embossed strips. The patent was assigned to the Multigraph Cells Company of the same city. Now we will talk about first use of chemical symbols in British textbook. In 1832, Edward Turner wrote a preface to the fourth edition of his textbook, Elements of Chemistry, published in 1833, in which he explained his use of symbols to represent reactants and products in a chemical reaction of cyanogen, because he found they solved the difficulty of giving a clear and concise description of the phenomena in ordinary language. His was the first use of chemical symbols in a British chemistry textbook. Turner used some algebra type notation as suggested by William Whewell with parts of John Jacob Berzelius system, in which iron was represented by Fe from ferrum and oxygen by O. Thus, Fe plus O represented one oxide of iron and 2Fe plus 3O represented another. Dots over the symbol indicated degree of oxidation, and an underline stood for two equivalents of a substance. Now we will talk about vacuum tube. In 1906, Dr. Lee De Forest, 26 August 1873 to 30th June 1961, one of the fathers of radio, announced his three-element electrical vacuum tube, now known as a triode, to a meeting of the American Institute of Electrical Engineers. He had discovered that when a mesh or grid of wire was placed between the filament and collector plate in a diode tube, first made by J. Ambrose Fleming in 1904, a large voltage amplifying effect could be produced. De Forest patented this vacuum tube on 15 Jan 1907. The ability of this tube to amplify weak signals was an invention as great as radio itself, because it made long distance communication possible. If you like our content, please like and share our videos, and also subscribe our channel Date Speaks.